So stand feet hip width apart, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that strength from the crown to the ceiling, chin parallel. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now placing the left hand on the thigh, right arm up. Inhale, exhale, just gently leaning over. Swap the arms, come center. Inhale and exhale, and swap the arms, make sure you come to the middle. So inhale and exhale and swap. Inhale, exhale, and one more each side. So inhale and exhale, so keep breathing and swap. Inhale and exhale. And coming back up. So we'll roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. And just the left one backwards. And the right one forward. And together. So left forward, right back. Or left back, right forward. Basically one going one way, the other going the other. And we'll take the right one back. And left one forwards. And both at the same time. So right back, left forwards. So working on the lower joints, weight on that right leg, belly button squeezed in, finding that focus point. Now we're just working to that left hip. And the other way. And then on that knee joint. So if this is too difficult to do all the joints in one go, then just swap between the legs. If you can, I'm doing the hip, knee, ankle all on one side. And rotate one way and then the other. So on to the right side. Just rotate into that hip. And the other way. Into the knee. And change. And finish with that right ankle. And the other way. So we're going to come into an easy forward bend, so just holding on to the elbows. Now you can have the knees bent, so we're just going to hang the body over the thighs and then try and straighten the legs. Remember, nothing should hurt, so just find a comfortable level for yourself. Roll on back up. And make sure you don't feel dizzy. If you do, just have a few breaths. If you feel okay, we're going to come into the extended side angle. So right knee is bent, back leg is straight. And we're just going to lean sideways. And reaching that left arm across, So looking for a straight line down the side of the body and then looking up towards the sky. Now swap the feet around. So bending that left knee, right leg straight. Hips, shoulders facing forwards, and just moving sideways, and getting that stretch all the way down the side of the right side. And looking up to the sky if the head and neck feels okay. And come back up. Well, time for the posture and the breathing. The crown up towards the sky, chin parallel. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Try and slow the breathing down. Just notice the body relaxing. Bringing the arms down, and we're all done.